Hello. In today's video I want to show you something really special. I'm happy to harvest today our very first self-pollinating yellow dragon fruit, and the best of it is that this fruit actually survived our winter, and not only survived the winter, but the fruit actually was ripening during our winter, our subtropical winter. Okay, I will show you. And here it is. Look at this beauty, the very prickly beauty. The very fantastic good news about this one is that it is actually a self-pollinating one. And this is our very first fruit, which I will be harvesting now, and we will try it at home. Now I have to grab some sort of tongs or something because my hands won't stand this. Look at the size, actually pretty good size of the fruit, and even better size of the prickles, which are hard and sharp. I go and grab some tongs or something. Yeah, Sepp and his tools. After the first inspection, I found out that actually the spikes that initially looked like a deadly weapon are super easy to get off the fruit. I just need to hold it with the tongs, because I don't need any spikes in my fingers, but they really go super easy off. Look at it. So let's have a look. And these ones are not spiky anymore. After the spikes are off, these beads are super soft. Okay, so I've got a second plate. Yeah, perfect. We can cut it through now and taste the fruit for the very first time for me. This is how it looks inside. Okay, I will have a bite. Oh wow. Super delicious, sweet, juicy, probably you can see it. Really yummy. I had the other variety of yellow dragon fruit in the past. It was also super yummy, but this one feels more juicy, more sweet. It's really super delicious. I will have the plants available in my online store. Also super easy to get off. Oh yum. Yum, yum, yum. Maybe also cuttings of the plant, but definitely I will have plants available soon. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I could give you some idea about the yellow dragon fruit. It's the self-pollinating dragon fruit. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and by any questions, send me a comment. If you don't have any questions, send me a comment too. Always love to read your comments. And now I will enjoy my food, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.